Hi everyone! Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hola!
What a go on, people?
And for all Musketel viewers,
hooray! So today I'm about to discuss a topic that Jamaicans don't openly discuss because this is a Dirty Berry show and I'm Dirty Berry, me go do it.
So let's talk about
masturbation.
AKA jerking off, back your fist, fapping, choke the chicken, choke the donkey, twisting the drumstick, waxing the Eiffel Tower.
So here's the thing, I've only masturbated like for one period in my entire lifetime, and that was when I was 14 years old and going to Excelsior High School. Before that, I had no idea what masturbation was. Back, as a matter of fact, them time I think the vagina was a circle, like a literal circle between a girl leg. Young and full. So one night, me the home just a chillax, and the next thing me know, me there dry home the bed. Before me could even say fair, me only realized my piece of planting started to get turgid.
Next thing we know, me just go across the bed, so vroom, 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 like when phone card a scratch. Now take a look at this low budget reenactment.
Pokemon, gotta catch you on true. I have it affected you. You teach me and I teach you. Pokemon!
So after me the day I rest the bed now, I only say vloop, one like a jolt, lick me in my back, and I go so, and then I said so, and the next thing me know, I just feel like sitting just I go so. Just I come out and I was like, what the hell is this? This is going to sound a bit nasty, but I took it and I was like, I can't have that idea, but I was in awe. I was actually in awe.
I can breathe something now.
Right after that, I only feel like something just kick up in my back, and a piece of sleep just bats me across my face, and the next thing I know, I snore me that I snore on the bed.
So like few days after that, you know, the mood come back again. And I was like,
oh no, no, no. Box cover, I only feel my hands start to levitate and I move towards my crotch area.
my poor blood did that boy.
My mind was telling me no, but my body was telling me yes. My hand just started doing that thing without any prior training. I was like, what the hell is happening? I only know say go on. I mean, like, what the hell? How did I know how to do this? Like, it just came like some instinct. It was just very weird and it kind of creeped me out. I mean, at school, I'm gonna hear people talk about, oh, bat them fist from Una, bat them fist. I just carry myself one side and what a reasoning. Back in them day when I just discover that thing called fapping, when I like as 2:30 licks up. Pew! I meet that guy in my yard, my mother used to see me and I'm like, Jesus, you know, I'm so impressed that you're reaching home so early, taking your education serious. I must commend you.
It's a pity she never knows say some good chicken me there run come home for come jerk.
Me say me used to jerk like Zip FM.
Every hour?
On the hour.
Till after a while, nothing never there come out, just a puff of air. Just when ready for release, all the hair just... You see, back in them day, the internet never did take off. Porn wasn't so easily available. Back in them day, they have to use something called your imagination. If you see a girl at school, you have to make sure you memorize the whole of her body. And then as you reach go home, so you try to regurgitate it back. And then handle your business. So right about now, I am proud to say that I have not fapped after age 14. No, I'm serious. I've stopped fapping after age 14. I don't do it anymore. No, I haven't done that since then. I stopped in 2005, 6.
Yo, that's it peeps, thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. I know this topic was a little bit kinda,
You know, I always wonder if girls masturbate. Do girls do that? I can't picture like, tell me one more time.
no, I don't know. Do they do it? Do y'all do it?
Do y'all do it?